in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect JBL headphones to iPhone 14 or iPhone 15. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up any model of JBL headphones on your iPhone, once again, regardless of the model, is extremely simple. So you can follow these same steps and you will be able to have it connected. Keep in mind that the primary way to connect most JBL headphones is going to be through Bluetooth. I'm still going to be talking about what to do if you don't have Bluetooth access, but it is expected that you will be using a wireless Bluetooth connection to get this done. So to set up your JBL headphones, first go into the settings of your iPhone and look for the Bluetooth category. In here, make sure that it is enabled. With Bluetooth enabled, you will now be able to set up the JBL headphones themselves. So usually when you power them on for the first time, they will automatically go into pairing mode, which means that they will look for nearby devices to pair with, including of course a smartphone. So try powering them on and see if there's some sort of LED indicator that is blinking. Usually this will tell you that pairing mode has been enabled. If yours doesn't have an LED blinking, that's okay, you will still be able to have it set up in pairing mode, but you need to check how to enable it. So if you are unsure, check the manual. Either power it on or look for a particular button combination that you have to do. Once you find a particular combination of buttons that enables pairing mode, all that you have to do is look under the other devices, and as long as you have your JBL headphones in close proximity of your iPhone, they will appear on the list. So choose the JBL headphones from the list, they will be transferred over to your devices, and they will remain connected if they are sufficiently charged. If needed, plug them in using a provided cable to charge the battery, and they will remain wirelessly connected until the battery runs out. If you don't want to use if you don't want to use a Bluetooth connection, then you will need to use a cable. So you plug one end of the cable into the iPhone's charging port and the other one into JBL headphones. But not all JBL headphones will support being connected over a cable. So it is expected that you set up a Bluetooth connection with the steps that I displayed here. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL headphones to iPhone 14 or iPhone 15. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.